In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram following feed not showing problem or no post yet problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store. Tap on Search. Search Instagram application. Update your Instagram app's latest version. You make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram apps. And how to fix Instagram following feed not showing or no post yet problem. Step 2. Open your Instagram apps. Tap on profile picture. Tap on 3 line or horizontal line. Scroll down. Tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Tap on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. To fix Instagram following feed not showing or no post yet problem, you can briefly explain your problem and send in Instagram support team. Go back and again open your Instagram apps. Tap on Reels icon. Tap on Reels. Tap on Flowing. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram following feed not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.